Well, the light's not very good, but I'm gonna have a go at it. I've got my little 18 volt Ryobi detail sander. Can put that on the edge there, but you gotta have holes in the thing to make it work good that way. So I'm just gonna hold it in my hand and hold the vacuum underneath. Pretty close to paint, really. I probably will find a couple of little spots there someplace. Let's have a little look, see if we can see any better. I can see something right here in this corner. So I didn't finish this. I didn't finish this yet. And then I think what I got to do is I got to put some fresh decorator's filler over the top of this stuff that's in there. I didn't want to dig it out. I especially don't have time to dig it out now. And sometimes you can just take, if it's fairly fresh with this TX110, you just take a damp cloth and blend it right in. Works pretty good that way. So a little tiny bit of sanding there, wipe it all down, put some sealer along that edge, and that'll be ready for paint. Then over here, see, I'm not too fussed about leaving marks with the stuff. As long as it's full, thick, I can sand it over. So that's had a second coat filler on there. That's just a light sanding. I think I might go 120 on that now. I was using 80 on the other because there's not too many ridges. Yeah, I don't care. if that's a little bit high. It's just, especially, yeah, when you're in a rush, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, we're starting to get there. Now this one down in the hallways, when we were doing with the wallpaper glue a few minutes ago.